Now that we have seen the major trends shaping the retail, let's quickly zoom into global view. We will look at which countries are driving retail growth and which companies are leading the global retail industry. So you have seen the process. Now let's understand the countries driving retail and the companies leading the global retail industry. There's something called Global Retail Development Index. I have a data from 2021 last and quickly browse through that. The Global Retail Development Index ranks countries based on the factors like market size, ease of doing business, and retail potential. In 2021, we see China top the list, driven by its massive population and advanced digital retailing. India ranked second thanks to its growing middle class and the strong e-commerce growth. We see Malaysia, Indonesia, and Bangladesh also emerged as a promising market for retail expansion. Emerging technologies and emerging economics are offering huge opportunities, especially for the brands that are agile and tech savvy. Top retailers worldwide in the last, I think I was trying to capture it in 2022. Walmart will remain the world's number one retailer, which over around 700 or 800 billion dollar sales at this moment. Amazon continues to dominate market. Costco, Kroger, and the Home Depot round out of the top five. So Walmart, then we have Amazon, Costco, Kroger, and Home. These are combining. These are the top five retailers across the world. Other strong players like Target, CVS Health, Walgreens Boot Alliance, and even Apple stores through digital and the physical channels. These are the top 20, top 19 retailers that you keep hearing in people or retailers are following the best practices from them. Now, one of the things that is common among all of them, they are all adopting fast, investing in the e-commerce and unifying commerce. They are putting the money in the supply chain automation, customer experience, and innovation. Linking it all together, when you look at the trends that we have discussed earlier, like automation, personalization, sustainability, digital first experience, you'll notice that the top countries and the top companies are those who are leading those changes, not resisting them. And that's where we as a consultant, we as an employee has to understand those trends, implement it, consult it, advise this to the retailer so that they thrive and they grow along with the market. Retail success today, whether for a country or company, is all about speed, innovation, and customer obsession. The retailers who are cracking the code for all three are getting in the list of all these retailers. All right. In the next session, we will dive even deeper into how these global shifts impact store operation, merchandising strategy, and digital transformation, and how retailers are continuously optimizing their practices in the list or to be top in the order. Thank you so much.